Here I've got Huawei Y5P, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the more icon and click on blocked. And here you can smoothly add some call block rules. Just click here and you can either block all incoming calls just by tapping here, you can block unknown numbers, or you can block private numbers right here. You can also set some rules for the messages, and you can block all unknown numbers by tapping over here. Now if you go back, you can also block some particular contact. Let me just create a new one. Create new contact. We can name it Tina. Tap on confirmation mark. And now if you would like to block Tina, so if you would like to block her calls, just tap on Tina, tap on more, and then select block contact. And from now on, this number will not be able to reach you. Then if you would like to remove it, tap on more again and select remove from blacklist. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.